Every morning before the first light of day, there was a rooster named Leo. With his loud, proud crow, he woke up the entire farm. He announced the start of a new day. He helped the farmers wake up on time. He did his job with pride every single day. But instead of thank you, Leo only received anger. People threw stones at him. They shouted at him. They complained every morning. "Stop crowing! You're ruining our sleep. You're just a noisy bird." Day after day, before sunrise, Leo faced the same insults. He felt unwanted. He felt unappreciated. Then, one cloudy morning, after hearing one last angry shout, Leo climbed onto his favorite fence. He looked at the horizon and thought, maybe the biggest act of self-love is knowing when to stop, when nobody values your effort. With a tired heart, Leo took a deep breath. He crowed one last time, and then he flew away. He left the farm, searching for a place where his song would be welcome. That night, for the first time ever, silence covered the entire farm. And before dawn, something unexpected happened. A group of thieves entered the farm. They knew the farm's routine well. This time there was no crowing, no dogs barking, no warning signs. The farmers were sleeping deeply, while the thieves stole almost all the animals. When the farmers finally woke up, it was too late. The chickens were gone. The sheep were gone. And Leo, the rooster who had tried so hard to wake them up, was gone too. By a wide river lived a strong, gentle turtle named Luna. Every day, Luna crossed the river with effort and patience. She fought against the strong current. She avoided sharp rocks. She faced deep waters, all for one reason: to help her friend, a little toad named Max. Max couldn't swim. In truth, he never even tried. He loved comfort. He was used to Luna carrying him on her back. For him, it was normal. Day after day, month after month, year after year, Luna carried Max across the river. But Max never said, "Thank you." He never showed gratitude. The moment they reached the other side, he jumped off her back and ran away to enjoy his life. Luna's effort meant nothing to him. Then, one summer, a small drought came. The river became shallow, and large stones appeared in the middle, forming a natural bridge. One day, as Luna was carrying Max across again, he suddenly saw the stones. Without saying a single word, he jumped off her back. He hopped from stone to stone, and he left, laughing, proud of himself, believing he no longer needed her. Luna stood there in the middle of the river, shocked and hurt. The weight she carried wasn't just her body anymore. It was years of ignored effort. That night, under the soft light of the moon, Luna sat by the water. A wise old heron landed beside her and said gently, "Luna, you can keep crossing this river. But from today, choose more carefully who you carry on your back. Not every weight deserves your strength. Not every companion deserves your journey." Luna closed her eyes. A warm tear rolled down her cheek. She forgave Max in silence. Not for him, but for herself. She chose to let go of her resentment, to protect her heart, and to keep her spirit light. But she also promised herself one thing: she would never again carry someone who didn't value the journey. Meanwhile, Max was full of pride. He believed he'd never need Luna again. But seasons changed. Rains returned. The river grew deeper and wider. The stones disappeared beneath the strong current. One day, Max returned to the river and tried to cross alone. He struggled. He panicked. The water was too deep, the current too strong. He thought of Luna, but it was too late. On the other side, Luna lived in peace. Her heart was free, her spirit lighter than ever. Sometimes, no matter how much you give, some people will never see your effort. You can wake them every morning like Leo, or carry them for years like Luna. But if your love, your time, and your energy are not valued, you must choose peace. Forgiving in silence doesn't mean forgetting. It doesn't mean returning to the same place. It doesn't mean carrying the same weight again. It means setting yourself free. Free from resentment. Free from pain. Free to live without carrying what isn't yours. Walk away without hate. Walk away without regret, because your heart deserves to be where it's appreciated. Your song deserves to be heard. Your strength deserves to be valued. Sometimes letting go is the bravest thing you'll ever do.